So let's remove the screws. I'm just going to check which screws they are. So guys, this one is a T8. It's a Tox. It's a security one. So there's a circle in the middle here. So let's take this fan off. Okay. Before that, we can even take this tape off from here. Right, so let's take the screws off first. So let's keep them in place. So I've got a magnetic mat, so I'm just going to keep them in the group wise over there. I'll link you a few other mats for you guys to buy. So this screw is a bit long, which goes here. I think I need to charge my screwdriver, but it's fine. So this one slightly longer, so you can see the screws are different size. And then this one also different size again. Right, so once you're done, you can disconnect this cable from here. So to do that, if you have a tweezer, is always helpful. You can just take it off from here. Let me see. There you go. So once you take it off, keep it aside and take the fan off. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt in it. We need to clean this, which I will do. There's a lot of dirt here. Hopefully the liquid is not gone too deep in, but let's see. Okay, so once you're done with this, take off all the screws, then we take this plate off. Okay, so you can even disconnect this cables here. Okay. So once you take it off, you can even take this optical drive off, but before we do that, we have to take this plastic bit off. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. There's one more screw here. If your magnet doesn't work, then you can use a magnetizer to magnetize your screw heads. Okay. So that's the screw. So all the screws are coming off with a T8 height screwdriver. Okay. And I'm just going to see if the size is the same. Yeah, size seems the same for all of them mostly. Just if you have a torch, always good to see if you're missing any screws. Good thing is most all the screws which I'm taking off are of the same size and the same T8. Oh, this is a slightly longer one, so let's keep it somewhere else. Oof, this is a long screw. This as well. Then here there's one more here. It's a long one. Okay, keep that in mind. Great. Just give a quick glance if you have left any screws. Great, you don't see any screws there. Time to take it off, but there's a lot of liquid here. You can see there's here some bit of liquid here. Hopefully it's all right. Doesn't look that great for now. So guys, there's probably one more screw here. I need to take this one off. This is the arrow pointing here. Let's try. There you go. Good hunch. Okay, let me take it off. There you go. So if you see, yeah, if you see here, I'll show you. This is the liquid here. You can zoom in there. Look at the amount of dirt